Hello, my name is Ruth Carter, and I am a licensed attorney in Arizona, and I'm also the owner of Carter Law Firm in Phoenix. And today, I want to talk about something in particular for new business owners. Now, like you, I started this business on the smallest shoestring budgets, and I was a big believer in the idea that the business needed to fund itself. So I didn't buy anything unless the business could afford it, not my personal bank account. So, acknowledging that, I want to tell you that when you open your business, there is somebody who is probably not going to be an owner that you need to pay no matter what. Guess what? It's not your lawyer. It's your accountant. They know stuff that we will never understand unless you were a business CPA. Right before you started your business, you cannot keep up with the tax law. It is too complicated. So yeah, number one, get an accountant. Do not do your taxes yourself. I just think how much time it would take for you to do your own taxes versus how much would it cost to pay to do it, to have someone do it for you. And the time you would have spent doing it, you could just be making money and probably more than enough to pay for your accountant. Your accountant will be able to assess your financial situation and tell you what type of business entity you should form for your business. Yes, every business needs an entity. I always tell my clients, verify your decision with your accountant before you file your paperwork. They will tell you what records you need to keep in terms of mileage, spending, all of that. Invest in QuickBooks. It's not that expensive. It's not that hard to learn, though I do recommend hiring a bookkeeper for an hour just to teach you how to do it, because there's a good chance if you try to do it by yourself, no matter how smart you are, there's a good chance you're going to screw it up the first time, and it's just easier. Just buy an hour with one of these people who will walk you through it. And then once you have your QuickBooks, it's pretty easy to keep track of all your spending. It produces all your reports, and it's a great way to keep track of how your business is growing. And then once a year, twice a year, meet with your accountant to make sure you're taking care of yourself and your business tax-wise. Because why should you pay the government more than you have to? So, I can tell you in my experience, I meet with my accountant usually twice a year. Usually once in, November, December to talk about planning, if I have to do a spend down to get ready for the next year. And then I, of course, meet with him in preparation for my taxes. And he does a great job of sending me a stack of worksheets so that I can easily provide him the information he needs, plus a copy of my current QuickBooks. And he just, takes a couple hours and poof, my taxes are done. Yay! He takes great care of me. Yeah, accountants, like lawyers, are expensive, but you get what you pay for. And so even though, a lot of people don't like paying for their accountant, when his bill comes in the mail, I just pay it. I actually gleefully pay it because he saves me so many headaches, and he takes such good care of me, and he answers all of my questions, even the weird ones like, hey, when I move into a brick and mortar office and I bring in my dog, can I write off her supplies as office supplies? No, you can't. I wish I could, but I couldn't. Things like that. So yes, a good accountant is worth their weight in gold. So even if you're starting out on the smallest of budget, find an accountant who understands your business needs and will take good care of you. You will save yourself a lot of money and especially, and more importantly, a lot of headaches in the long run. So there's my 2 cents on this one. And yeah, if you want to contact me, my information's below. Feel free to subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch up with you later. Take care.